Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, I'm Shanice. Welcome to my channel, and if you've been here, hello. So this week I want to do a fun nail tutorial before I get into December, and all my Christmas nail tutorials will come about. So I was inspired by a moon and star wind chime thing I bought recently, which it looks like this. It's very pretty. Has little chimes here, moon and stars. I was inspired by this for my nail tutorial for this week. So if you want to know how I did this cool star moon nail tutorial that is really awesome this week, go ahead and sit back and relax. And if you want to know where I got that brass cool wind chime, I can leave the link to that down below, so you can check that out. It's from Goldie Locks and website, and yes, it was really cool. I'm glad I bought it. So before I continue, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also give this video a like, please, and hit that great notification bell so you can be amongst everyone else and get notified first. And also share this video. I'd much appreciate it. So let's get started with this video. Okay, let's just jump in and start this nail tutorial. So you want to prep your nails and shape them however you like them, like I always say, and then apply your favorite base coat. Once you have all of that situated, then you want to apply your base colors of the nails. So on your index finger and your middle finger, it's going to be this nice deep peachy skin tone color. That's on the index finger and the middle finger. On the wedding finger, pinky, and thumb, it's going to be a black. So you want to have 2 coats of each color. Once I have had the 2 coats on each of the nails, then I want to put this nice shimmer polish that really, it looks white in the bottle, but when you put it on top of the polish, it gives this shimmery pink and purple with a little blue in it. So I put 1 coat of that on only on the black nails. So that's the wedding finger, pinky, and thumb. Once you have all the base colors and coats on, and you let it dry for a little bit so you can begin with your nail art. And so since we just kind of did the shimmer polish on the black nails, I'm going to start with the 2 peachy tone color nails, which is the index finger and middle finger. So to start off, I wanted to draw the lines or chain that the star and the moon's gonna dangle on. So to begin this nail art, so I'm going to take a black nail polish to make this a star moon design, but you also can use a black acrylic paint if you want to as well. So I did 3 lines on the index finger, 1 across, that's crisscrossing each, and then 1 down the middle of the nail, that's what the star is going to be on. Then at the end of the straight line that you made on your index finger, we're going to put a star at the bottom of that. Then I'm going to hop over to the middle finger and draw a line down from the cuticle to like the center of the nail, not straight in the middle of the nail, but a little over. You want to stop from there, and then you want to draw a crescent moon on the end of that chain. Then to add some more details, I added dots on the chain lines that I made on the middle finger and also on the index finger. On the crescent moon, I add another cool chain at the bottom of the crescent moon by adding the dots and then connecting the dots to the moon. Right now, I can go back in and fix any of the lines back with that peachy tan color that I begin with to fix up any of that black lines. Once I was happy with that design and I wanted to just jump over and leave that alone for a second, I go ahead and jumped over to the black 3 nails, the wedding finger, pinky, and thumb. So I wanted to draw a crescent moon right at the cuticle. And on the black nails, I'm going to use a white nail polish, or you can use a white acrylic paint to do this nail art on those 3 nails. So I did that for each nail and added 2 coats. Before I went on, I fixed the moon if I needed to be more crescent and more moon-like. If I messed up any, I fixed that. Then once I fixed that, with the dotting tool, I put 3 dots from that moon. So a bigger dot, medium dot, and a small dot down the nail. Since that is done with 3 dots, then I went and hopped back over to the index finger and the middle finger, and I want to have that brass brown gold look from my brass charm that I bought into this nail tutorial. So with the dots that I made on the chains earlier that are black dots, I went ahead and where the dots were, I put this nice thick rich gold nail polish only on the dots. Once you have everything done and you have the star and moon on your index finger and your pinky, and then on the rest of the nails you have the moon, crescent moon at the cuticle with the 3 dots, you are basically done. So I wanted this to be a matte design because I hardly have done a matte nail tutorial for you guys recently, so I wanted this to be a full on all nails to be matte. So I applied my favorite matte top coat, is Purized Frost Finish matte top coat on all the nails. And here is the finished look of my nails. So you guys, what do you think about this moon and star nail tutorial? I think it came out really great. Leave a comment down below. Give this video a like if you liked it, if you like stars, if you like moons, if you just like this nail tutorial in general. Hit that like button down below, and also while you're down there, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also go ahead and hit that great notification bell that's like right beside it, so you can be notified for the other videos that I do, because I do 3 a week, and you don't want to miss out on all of that. And especially since Christmas is coming, a lot of Christmas nail tutorials is about to be there, and a lot other kind of videos that I do as well. So go ahead and give this video a share if you want to, and I see you next week with another nail tutorial, which will be starting my Christmas nail tutorial and all of that. So if you don't want to miss out on any of those Christmas nail tutorials, go ahead and subscribe, and so you won't be missing out in any of that. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.